Hey, this is Ross with The Verge, and we are here at Samsung and Rovio's South by Southwest event, checking out Angry Birds Space on the Galaxy Note. It's actually quite different to some of the other Angry Birds. It's actually a really new gameplay mechanic if you want to check it out right here. As you see, there's a NASA satellite lurking about. If you want to actually learn more about space and NASA, you can click on that. They actually made the announcement in conjunction with the International Space Station. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into the level, and you'll see even from the first level. There you go. See if you can get to the first level, kind of show you how the game works. All right, so the way it progresses, as you've noticed, it's actually in space. And each of these planets have its own gravitational orbit. So outside of the orbit, the bird, well, let me just show you, will just fly forever and ever off into the sun, never to actually see another planet, die a lonesome death if it actually even gets to breathe. However, if you find a gravitational field, you'll see it actually kind of curves to the field. We're going to use that to our advantage and try to get the pig from around back. See, now it actually curves around. Boom, got him, straight shot. And that's going to be 10,000 points. 2 stars, I could have done better. Anyway, let's go on, let's take a look at a slightly more challenging one. You'll see kind of you have this gravity play. So each planet gives off a slightly different gravitational field, and that, of course, works exponentially decaying as you go away from the planet. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to loop around the gravitational forces, get this pig at the end. It's going to go into there, flies through. Okay, we're going to miss him the first time, but he's still spiraling, and got him. As for the poor bird, hopefully he's going to land at some point. There he goes. Okay, now he's got a safe little home. 10,000, 10,000. All right, 3 stars. That's our first one. All right, so that's the first level. There's actually about 20 of those. As you can keep going, you've got cold cuts, danger zone. Danger zone is going to be your super challenging mode. Let's actually see what the absolute worst one possible is. So if I lose, it's not as embarrassing. Okay, so we have 2 planets. We've got a couple different kind of birds, and we've got God knows what. So let's give this a shot. So I'm gonna put it here, split them up, and well, that thing is, no, that's nothing. Let's see how this works. Get your little purple guy and shoots like a comet. Great in the right hands, obviously not in mine. Anyway, I think you get the idea. I've embarrassed myself enough. Okay, so that's Angry Birds Space. Once again, it comes out March 22nd for the iPhone, the iPad, all the Android devices, PC, Mac, everywhere Angry Birds can be, essentially. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device, like the Note here, you'll get it free for the first 3 months.